It was a choice to stand behind me. It really was. Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with a Walmart Ibotta haul. Guys, before church today, I decided to go in and do a few deals, and I'm glad I did because I found some repeat deals that were better deals, okay? All right, guys, now before we jump into this haul, I must tell you how I did my transaction, okay? And I've never actually done this before in the line, okay? I'll usually get out of line and then come back. But today I was in a hurry. I was trying to get to church. So what I did, I decided to divide up my transaction at self-checkout. I rang up a few rebates, let that go through, scanned my receipt, got the money in my account, redeemed it, rolled it to my PayPal, did the second transaction. All in self-checkout, and did feel bad about it because somebody was standing behind me, but that was a choice to stand behind me. It really was. Especially considering when you see I've got coupons and I'm having them to come over and get my coupons to go through. So you know what? It's a choice to stand behind a couponer, okay? You can go in another line because it was other lines. So apparently you ain't had nothing to do. That's why you was standing behind me. I'm not about that overpaying life, okay? Not about it. So I had to just do what I got to do, all right? Because I wasn't trying to pay out of pocket. Have no shame in my game. Let me know in the comments below the video if you guys have ever redeemed in the line. First rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Mango Pepsi. This is the 6-pack. It was on sale for $2.75. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $2.75 in store, but there is $1.25 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.50. I think that was a great deal. Next rebate I decided to do was the argan oil, and this is actually the conditioner this time. I didn't get this one before, but it was a great deal because they had some peelies in store. So this one was priced $4.67. They had $2 peelies stuck on the product, not on this one, but on the shampoo. But it works on this one too. So I had to pay $2.67 in store. I got back $2 for my bot. Final cost 67 cents. That was a great deal for the argan oil intensive conditioning treatment. Can't wait to use that. The next one was the Cream of Nature argan oil. This is the shampoo. So this is the one that actually had the peely on it. Now it was priced $4.67 as well. That $2 coupon I used in store dropped my cost to $2.67. I got back $2 for my bottle. Final cost 67 cents. You can't beat that with a stick, guys. So that's a great deal. And the one that I told you I have been using, okay, which is the argan oil leave-in. Okay, I like this one as well. It's a little more. It's $4.98. I used that $2 coupon, so I had to pay $2.98 in store. I got back $2 from my Ibotta. Final cost 98 cents. Yes. The next thing I decided to get was my dial. The dial gentle, clean and gentle. Okay, it reset for me, so I got this again. They're $1.85. Now they do have another scent that's clean and gentle that works, but it was actually a few cents more, so I didn't get that one. So this was $1.84 times 2, $3.68. There is $1 off of 2 coupon from the 9.5 save that I used. Dropped my cost in store to $2.68. There is 50-cent rebates coming back from my Ibotta for both, giving me a total of $1 back. Final cost $1.68 for the 2. That is a great deal. The next rebate I decided to do was on the soft soaps because those 2 double rebates are still working with this. Okay, so these were priced $1.98. I decided to get 2 for a total of $3.96. Now there was 50 cents soft soap coupons. I had them this time, guys, but those things did not scan. Okay, for some reason they didn't want to scan, so the gentleman pushed them through. Okay, that took off $1, so I had to pay in store $2.96. So there's 50-cent rebate and a 75-cent rebate coming back for each one. That is $1 and $1.50 coming back, making the final cost only 46 cents for the 2. Good deal. The next rebate I got was the Irish Spring, guys. Now, there was a coupons.com Irish Spring coupon that I seen this morning when I went to coupons.com, so I decided to get this rebate. It was $3.97. There is a $1 coupon from coupons.com. They did not scan. They had to push it through. Okay, made the cost in store be $2.97. I got $1.25 back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.72. Now, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do with this. I'm probably gonna use this as like an exfoliator for my feet, okay, when I do my feet, because it's a deep action scrub. So I'm curious to see what it's gonna do, okay? The next rebate I decided to do was the grape jelly, okay? I got the Welch's Natural Concord Grape Jelly again, $1.58. You must buy 2 times 2 is $3.16. No coupon, so I paid $3.16 in store. There is $1 coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost $2.16. Yes. Then I decided to get my Any brand eye drops again. Great deal. 97 cents. This is an Equate brand. There's a 10-cent rebate. Final cost 87 cents. Not too bad, not too shabby. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Barilla pasta. It was priced $1.28 in my Walmart. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.28 in store. There's 40 cents coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost 88 cents. The next rebate I decided to do was on the Boiling Bag Success rice, guys. Now, the white rice was a little more in my store than the jasmine, so this time it's $2.28. There is 50 cents coming back from my Ibotta, so final cost $1.78. Next, we've got the ragu. I got the marinara this time because I can put this on my shrimp pizza that I like to make. So it's $1.48, no coupon, but there's 75 cents coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost 73 cents. Yes, I got some great rebates today, guys, because I got the double dipping from the salsa, which is a great deal always, guys, and because I'm trying to get that bonus accomplished, okay? I'm trying to actually do it this time and not drag it out or not do it like I didn't do it last time, guys. So I hope these rebates were helpful for you. Let me know in the comments below if they were. And if you are not a part of the coupon crew, would you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you know when I come on here, I want to show you a deal. All right, remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.